Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a really easy prep for a smoked uncured pork belly. It's delicious, so come along with us. This is like a mammoth 9-pound pork belly. We're going to clean some of this up, trim some of the edges, and get it ready to go. Pat this belly dry. It'll be easier to handle, and we're going to be adding Headwaters flavors in just another moment. Then you're going to want to trim off a little bit of whatever extra fat there is, get that side ready, flip it over, do the same thing. Dry it, trim it, we're ready to season. Two simple ingredients for this: Ghost Town Gold Sauce and Ringing Rock Rib Rub. Brush on a generous amount of the Ghost Town Gold Sauce, coating the entire side of the belly. Generously season it with the Ringing Rock Rib Rub. We want to give this a lot of flavor. Then give it a flip and we'll prep the other side. Another good dose of sauce brushed along the backside, and another good dose of the rib rub, and this is ready to go. If you think this rack looks like a cookie cooling sheet, you're right, it is, but it fits my custom smoker perfectly. We're going to add a little more spice, and this is ready for the smoker. And there's my gorgeous 1950s era refrigerator converted into a smoker. You'll see how easily that rack just sits right in there. Down below is an electric element, thermostatically controlled. I just set my smoke box on and she's ready to cook for several hours. Alright guys, the pork belly has hit its target temperature of 195, so we're going to be pulling that off the smoker and letting it rest. Alright, I know some of you are going to want to see what this looks like coming right out of the smoker, so here it is. Look at the color on that. That is just gorgeous. Alright, here it is back on the rack. We're just going to let that set up for a little while. You can see there's been a good amount of shrink from where it started to coming back down to here. We tinted the pork belly with some aluminum foil and we've let it rest for about half an hour. So we're ready to slice into this one now. Here it is. Oh yeah. Let's just cut off some here into the side. And take a look-see at that. Oh boy. I didn't get much of a ring on this, but it'll still have tons of smoky flavor. Well, it's time to give it a taste. Pork belly smoked. You can see it just has really rendered the fat off, but it's still really juicy. It's just looks delicious. It's kind of like a cross between a soft cooked bacon and a really awesome pork rib. So poured a little bit of the Ghost Town sauce here just to give it a little taste. A little something extra on it. A little bit of extra mustard and vinegar in there, and that extra bit of cracked pepper. Phenomenal. There it is, smoked pork belly. We got a lot of it here, so we're going to be doing a lot of different things with it. Not just preparing it and eating it straight up like this, fresh off the smoker, but showing you a whole bunch of different ways you can use pork belly for different stuff. So keep an eye out for us. Give us a like, share this around, and by all means, give this a try yourselves. We'll see you next time.